Mice and other rodents commonly chew on electrical wires. This poses a serious problem as it can lead to electrical fires, power outages, and even harm to the rodents themselves. There are several reasons why rodents engage in wire chewing. Firstly, malnutrition may be a factor. Rodents sometimes chew on wires to obtain minerals and nutrients that they are lacking in their diet. Wires can contain copper and other materials that are attractive to them. Secondly, boredom can contribute. Rodents are curious and exploratory animals, and chewing on wires provides them with stimulation and entertainment. Thirdly, rodents may use shredded wire insulation as nesting material, which encourages chewing. Fourthly, rodents' teeth continually grow, so they need to gnaw on hard objects to keep them from becoming too long. Wires provide a convenient chewing surface. Electrical hazards resulting from rodent wire chewing are significant. Firstly, chewed wires can expose bare copper, which can come into contact with other wires or objects, causing a short circuit. Secondly, short circuits can generate heat, which can ignite nearby materials and start a fire. Thirdly, if a rodent chews on a live wire, it can be electrocuted. Look for evidence of rodent wire chewing to identify potential problems. Firstly, look for visible wire damage, such as chewed or frayed wires, especially in concealed areas like behind appliances or in walls. Secondly, be alert for electrical sparks or smoke. If you see or smell sparks or smoke coming from an electrical outlet or appliance, it could indicate a rodent-damaged wire. Thirdly, the presence of rodent droppings or urine near wires is a sign that rodents may be active in the area. There are several steps you can take for prevention. Firstly, seal entry points. Inspect your home for cracks or holes that rodents could use to enter, and seal these openings with caulk or expanding foam. Secondly, inspect wiring regularly. Check electrical wires for damage, especially in areas where rodents are likely to access them. Thirdly, protect wires by using wire mesh or conduit to cover exposed wiring and make it less accessible to rodents. Fourthly, eliminate food sources. Store food in sealed containers and clean up spills promptly to reduce the attraction for rodents. There's no evidence to suggest that chewing on electrical wires is narcotic to rodents. However, some experts believe that rodents may enjoy the sweet taste of wire insulation. For more information on rodent wire chewing hazards and prevention, resources are available from the National Fire Protection Association, the Consumer Product Safety Commission, and the International Association of Electrical Inspectors. Remember that addressing rodent issues promptly and effectively is crucial for maintaining electrical safety and preventing potential hazards.